In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark in Clipchamp. By the end, you'll have a clean, subtle text watermark that protects your content without distracting your viewers. First, open Clipchamp and sign in. Once you're in the editor, bring in the video or image you want to watermark. You can import from your computer or a connected source, then add the media to your timeline. Make sure it's on the main video track so everything we add sits on top of it. Now, let's create the watermark. Head to the text section in the left panel, where you'll find a range of presets. Choose a simple, clean option like heading to keep the watermark professional and unobtrusive. Drag that text onto a track above your video on the timeline. This text layer is your watermark overlay. Align it with the start of your video and stretch its edge so it lasts for the entire duration. That way, your watermark stays visible from start to finish. Click the text box in the preview and type what you want to display, such as your brand or channel name. Keep it short and consistent. Next, adjust the style. In the text settings, refine the font, size, and weight. Simple sans serif fonts tend to look the most polished. Reduce the size so it's present but not overpowering, and use the on-screen handles to position it. Bottom right is a common choice, but any corner works. Keep it inside the safe margins so it won't get cut off on different screens. With the text still selected, open the color controls. Pick a color that contrasts just enough to be readable across your footage. White or light gray often works well on most backgrounds. To achieve that professional, subtle look, adjust the opacity. Lowering the opacity makes your watermark blend with the video while still being visible. Aim for a gentle range. Often somewhere around 1/4 to 1/3 opacity feels right, but the best value depends on your footage. If your video is very bright, you might go a bit darker or lower. For darker scenes, a lighter color or a slightly higher opacity helps. Preview your video and watch a few different moments to make sure the watermark is legible on both bright and dark areas. If it's popping too much, lower the size or opacity. If it's disappearing, bump them up slightly or tweak the color. And that's it. You've added a clean, consistent watermark in Clipchamp that follows your video from start to finish and protects your work without getting in the way. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this helped you level up your skills.